In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with Google Keep Notes. Have you ever wanted to share your notes or brainstorming sessions with others in real time? Google Keep is a fantastic tool for that, and today I'm going to show you how to easily add collaborators to your notes so you can work seamlessly with friends, family, or colleagues. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Keep. You can do this by heading over to your Google Apps in your web browser. Once you're there, look for Google Keep among your available apps. It might be tucked away within categories or at the lower end of your app listing, so take a moment to locate it. If you haven't used it much before, it might require expanding some sections. Once you've found Google Keep, go ahead and click on it to open the app. As you click on it, you'll see a colourful card-style interface appear before you, brimming with notes you've created or saved. If you're new to Google Keep, your screen might be pretty sparse, with just a few hints guiding you to start creating. But don't worry, this app's simplicity and ease of use make it a favourite among many for quick note-taking. Now moving forward, select the note you want to share. Your notes are visually distinctive, often with different colours or labels you might have previously assigned to help with organisation. Once you click on the desired note, it will expand, allowing you to delve deeper into the details you've recorded. Take a moment to verify that this is the note you wish to share with others because this step is crucial. Once you've confirmed the correct note, look for the collaborator icon. This is usually represented by a small plus sign inside a person silhouette, typically located at the bottom of the note, alongside options for color changes, archiving, or adding images. Clicking this will open a new dialog, prompting you to add contacts or email addresses. To add a collaborator, simply type in their email address. Google Keep will automatically suggest contacts from your address book, which can save time if you're frequently collaborating with them. Select the correct email, ensuring you've chosen the right contact. After you've added all the collaborators, simply click Save or Done to confirm your choices. Once you've completed these steps, your chosen note will be shared with those email addresses you input,